Use the official hashtag in posting your captured moments tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Your photos and videos and post it to your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Para patuloy po ng couple natin yung kanilang official hashtag, lalabas mo lahat ng mga uploaded photos and videos.
Ating excuse man. Uy, tata.
Sound check.
Aso.
More dance.
Mati karon nagsingon mo din niya. Nagsingon mo garawd. Yura yura. Hindi ka na mga lumayan tayo. Gipay lang na yun. Hindi mga lagyan eh.
Game Boy, and our candle gift our sponsors, Ashley Chesed. We need more energy like that because at this juncture, I would like to request everybody to please stand and join us as we welcome the reason why we are gathered here tonight at this beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, our newlywed Mrs. Julius Cesar Silar together with our team girl and team bride. But wait, there's more dahil meron pa silang ipapakita special dance presentation ng bawat team. Kanina mo tayo bumubo, ma'am sir. Please take your seat para makita team girl and team bride. Ladies and gentlemen, for Team Blue and Team Bright, thank you very much, ladies and gents. Maraming salamat. So you know.
me close, don't let me go. Hold me close, don't let me go. Hold me close, don't let me go.
Wow! Sabi nila, Sir JC at Mama Yayi, pag mas malaki daw yung hiwa at subo, mas abot rin daw yung blessings. Kaya lakihan ninyo guys. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Ang ganda ng cake natin in fairness. Sa lahat po ng mga guests na gusto matikman yung there you go. So tossing your hands is a symbol of strength together and considered as one. Okay, so sabay na guys. Time to share the sweetness of the cake. In 3, 2, 1, go! Sinubo na lang? Sinubo na lang daw. Sinubo na lang. There you go. And of course, sealed it with a kiss. You know, palapakan naman natin sila guys.
Also found home in each other. Your love feels like destiny, gentle yet unshakable. Passionate yet shaped. In every glance, every promise, and every quiet moment you share, there is depth that speaks of forever. There is a love rooted in friendship, as I've seen them. I've seen them when I was in high school, which is strengthened by trust and illuminated by the way you choose each other every single day. May your marriage be filled with endless laughter, tender moments, and a love that only grows richer with time. I cannot wait to watch your story continue to unfold, and I can wait for you to have your mini Yai and JC, bitter hearts that shaped by the beautiful love you share. And as a future tita, I
And everyone, please raise your glasses and join us in wishing the best for the newlyweds. Cheers, everyone! Cheers! Wow! Yun ah!
You're here forever and ever.
Pagkain po. Maraming salamat!
So listen very carefully. Get closer now and you will see what I mean. It isn't a dream. The only sound that you will hear is when
Ay, Melanie, mas mapasikat naman ako. Kailangan ng kakatawa na. Kuryente. Kuryente? Di ba kadagis eh? Kasi nalang sa katawan.